In the previous video, we discussed about the squares from 21 to 100. How can we write in easy method? That means some tricks. It will continue same as squares from 21 to 100. How can we write? By using a small trick. Squares from 21 to 100. Just you see one example how to write the squares from 21 to 100 example. I will take a number 37 square. So how can we use a small trick to do a square of 37? Just you write 37 plus 7 into 3 times. Here you see it is 3 times plus 7 square. Let's 7 square. That is equal to 37 7 44 into 3 times plus 7 7 ja 49. 44 3 ja 132. You put 10 plus 49. So 1320 plus 49, 1369. So it is the square of 37. Or you may take one another example, 59 square. So 59 plus 9 into 5 times plus 9 square. You see 59 plus 9, 68 into 5 plus 9 9 ja 81. Here it is 340. You put 10 plus 81 is equals 3481. So like this you may write how many squares you need. Up from 21 to 100 you can write very easy. Thank you.